If you're in the market for a new iPhone in 2025, Apple has delivered a lineup that caters to every kind of user, from the multitaskers to the casual scroller. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Whether you're after raw performance, a stylish, lightweight design, or something that won't break the bank, there's an iPhone with your name on it. Leading the pack is the iPhone 17, Apple's new flagship that brings premium features at a slightly more accessible price than the Pro models. With a dazzling 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, the smoothness of 120Hz ProMotion, and a powerful A19 chip, it's built for the everyday users who don't want to compromise on speed or style. But if you want the best of the best, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is your go-to. It has a massive 6.9-inch display with Apple's most advanced camera system yet and stellar battery life, all wrapped in a sleek titanium finish. For those who prefer their power in a more compact size, the iPhone 17 Pro offers nearly the same performance and camera capabilities. Then there's the iPhone Air, the apple of Apple's eye. It's not only ultra-thin and lightweight, but also perfect for users who want performance with aesthetics, all while keeping the modern features that matter. And for the users who are tight on a budget, the iPhone 16e offers a great entry point, balancing decent performance with affordability. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Plus hits the sweet spot for those who want a big screen without going pro. In short, Apple's 2025 iPhone lineup isn't just about flex, it's about fitting into your life no matter what kind of user you are. So, which one are you going for? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.